Instead of throwing onion peels and potato peels into the trash, you can turn them into a simple liquid fertilizer for your garden. It is an easy way to recycle kitchen waste while making use of materials you already have at home. Although this homemade fertilizer is not a complete replacement for compost or a balanced fertilizer, it does contain small amounts of nutrients and natural compounds that can give plants a gentle boost. To make it, collect the dry outer peels from about 2 pounds of onions and place them in a clean container filled with 5 liters of water. Stir once so all the peels are completely soaked. Next, collect the peels from about 2 pounds of potatoes and place them in another clean container with 5 liters of water. Close the lids on both containers and place them in a spot that receives partial shade. Leave them undisturbed for at least 48 hours. During this time, the water gradually extracts nutrients and other natural compounds from the peels. Onion peels contain small amounts of potassium, calcium, sulfur, and several trace minerals. Potato peels also release potassium, along with phosphorus, magnesium, and other micronutrients. As the peels remain submerged, naturally occurring microorganisms begin breaking down some of the organic matter. This mild fermentation helps dissolve more of these nutrients into the water, making them available for your plants. You will probably notice that the water changes color and becomes darker over the next 2 days. It may also develop a mild earthy or fermented smell. This is a normal part of the process and shows that the nutrients are being extracted from the peels. If the containers are kept covered and out of direct sunlight, the process usually works well without any extra ingredients. One of the main nutrients released by both onion and potato peels is potassium. Potassium plays an important role in overall plant health. It helps regulate water movement within the plant, supports stronger stems, encourages flowering and fruit development, and improves a plant's ability to handle heat and other environmental stress. The calcium from onion peels contributes to healthy new growth and stronger plant tissues, while the magnesium from potato peels helps plants produce chlorophyll, which keeps leaves green and supports photosynthesis. After 48 hours, you can use each liquid on its own if you prefer. However, you can also combine them into a single fertilizer, which is what we like to do. Take a larger container and add about 5 liters of fresh water. Pour the liquid from both the onion peel and potato peel containers into it, then stir everything well until fully mixed. This creates a larger batch of homemade liquid fertilizer containing nutrients from both kitchen scraps. Before using it, strain out the peels. Apply the liquid directly to the soil around the base of your plants. Watering the root zone allows plants to absorb the available nutrients more effectively. This fertilizer can be used on vegetables, herbs, flowers, fruiting plants, and most container plants. Applying it once every 1 or 2 weeks during the growing season is usually enough. Don't throw away the leftover peels after straining the liquid. They still contain valuable organic matter and can be added to a compost pile or buried in garden beds, where they will continue to break down and improve the soil. By using both the liquid and the remaining peels, you get the most value from everyday kitchen waste while reducing what ends up in the trash.